GetYourGuide is a travel activity platform that helps you discover and book tours, attractions, and experiences around the world. From museum passes to food tours, boat trips, and day excursions, the app promises convenience, instant booking, and verified reviews so you can explore any destination with confidence. But how well does it actually work in real travel situations? And is it worth relying on? Let's take a closer look. The first thing you notice when using GetYourGuide is how simple it is to search for experiences. You choose a destination, enter your travel dates, and browse options. Categories filter everything from skip-the-line museum tickets to guided tours, local classes, theme park access, and seasonal events. This makes the experience feel organized, even if you are planning last minute. Each activity page includes photos, schedules, what's included, and cancellation rules, so you can compare offers before booking. One of GetYourGuide's biggest selling points is flexibility. Many activities offer free cancellation up to 24 hours before the start. This is very helpful for travelers who want the security of booking ahead without losing money if plans change. The platform also provides mobile tickets, so you don't need to worry about printing confirmations or carrying extra paper. You can simply show the voucher on your phone. Pricing is another area where GetYourGuide tries to compete. Sometimes prices match what you would pay at the venue, while other times they are slightly higher due to convenience or added features like skip-the-line access. In many cases, the premium is worth it because it saves time. If you've ever stood in a long ticket line at a major attraction, you know how valuable that can be. Still, it is smart to compare prices when possible to make sure you're getting fair value. Reviews on GetYourGuide are generally trustworthy. Only people who have booked through the platform can leave feedback. This helps cut down on fake reviews and gives you a better sense of what to expect. Most listings show detailed comments in multiple languages, which is useful for international travelers. High-rated tours usually deliver solid experiences, but like any platform, there can be variability. Some reviews mention unclear instructions or crowded group tours, so it's important to read carefully. The app experience is smooth overall. Bookings appear instantly in your profile, and reminders are sent before your activity. Directions to meeting points are usually accurate, and many tours include a contact number for your guide. However, because GetYourGuide partners with local operators rather than running activities itself, quality can vary depending on the company delivering the service. Most experiences run smoothly, but occasionally travelers report late guides, disorganized coordination, or last-minute cancellations. Customer support is available through chat and email. Response times are decent, especially for emergency issues. If a tour gets canceled or something goes wrong, refunds are usually processed without too much trouble. Still, some users report slower responses during peak seasons or when dealing with complicated claims. Because GetYourGuide acts as the middleman, resolution can take longer if the local operator disputes the situation. So, who is GetYourGuide good for? It's great for travelers who want to plan activities easily without spending hours researching. It's especially helpful in busy destinations where popular attractions sell out quickly. The app makes it easy to secure entry and keep all your travel confirmations in one place. It's also useful for people who enjoy guided tours, unique local experiences, or curated itineraries. On the other hand, if you're the type who likes spontaneous travel or prefers booking directly with local companies, you may not find it necessary. Overall, GetYourGuide is a reliable and convenient tool that takes much of the stress out of planning activities. While quality can vary because experiences are delivered by third-party operators, most users enjoy positive results. With flexible cancellation, verified reviews, and fast mobile access, it's a strong choice for anyone looking to explore a destination with confidence.